Welcome to US Realty Training. I'm Robert Rico, head instructor. Our entire mission is to help you become a real estate agent and start a successful career in the industry. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in the business for years, US Realty Training was built to be your one-stop home for real estate education. Pre-licensing, exam prep, post-licensing, continuing education, broker courses, and even specialized certification programs that help you stand out from the crowd. Let me walk you through what we do and how we can help you at every stage. If you're just starting out, step one is your pre-licensing education. We provide the required pre-licensing courses that help you meet your state's education requirements so you can qualify to take the real estate exam. We offer courses for every state by either providing our materials and systems or partnering with the school to get you the best deal on your real estate education. In some states, you can study completely online at your own pace or join our live training options where you learn with an instructor, ask questions in real time, and go through the material step by step. From the very beginning, you're not just getting dry textbooks, you're getting real-world explanations, examples, and support from a school that's already helped tens of thousands of students become real estate agents. Now, once your classes are done, it's exam time. And that's where a lot of people get stuck. That's why we built our exam prep packages to help you pass the state exam the very first try. You'll get practice exams that are designed to replicate the actual state exam experience. So when you sit down on test day, it feels familiar. You're not frightened. Now, on top of that, we provide exam crash course videos taught by yours truly. I'll walk you through key concepts, tricky questions, test-taking strategies, and the mindset you need to pass. We also offer live exam crash courses, so you can come in, ask questions, and walk out feeling confident and prepared. We're so confident in our system that we offer a pass guarantee when you follow our exam prep outline. And we proudly boast over 90% pass rate from students who use our material. When people follow the program, they pass. It's that simple. But we don't stop once you get your license. In many states, there's still post-licensing education you need to complete. We or our partners provide post-licensing courses designed to help you meet those requirements while actually learning how to operate as a real estate agent in the field. We make it simple and fast so you can spend less time in the course and more building your career. Then, as your career grows, you'll need to stay current, and that's where our continuing education comes in. We and our partners offer CE courses across the country, so you can renew your license and stay compliant without scrambling at the last minute. In California, we have the only DRE-approved app that lets you complete your continuing education on the go. You can chip away at your CE on your phone from home, between showings, in the office, or on the couch. And with our structured program, you can complete your CE in as fast as 6 days. Whoa, that's quick. No guesswork, no chaos, just a clear path to getting your license renewed and staying in good standing. If you're ready to level up even further, we and our partners also offer brokers courses. These programs are designed to help you elevate your career and move into the next chapter. Becoming a real estate broker or a managing broker? Yeah, that's pretty nice. You'll get the education you need to qualify, plus the knowledge and confidence to lead transactions, manage agents, and build something that's truly your own. Our exam prep and crash course videos can also help you pass the broker's exam. And because real estate is a competitive industry, we also help you stand out with specialized certification programs. That's huge. These are designed to position you as an expert in a specific area. When you complete one of these programs, you earn a certification you can use in your marketing, on your website, and on your listing presentations to prove you are the expert. For example, you can become a certified commercial real estate specialist with our commercial course. So when a client asks you, hey, do you do commercial? You're not just gonna say yes. You actually have the training and the certification to back it up. All of this, the pre-licensing, exam prep, post-licensing, CE, broker education, and specialization courses lives inside our student portal. Think of it as your central hub. From your student portal, you can see all your courses in one easy-to-use place. Track your progress, review your materials, and pick up exactly where you left off. And when you're not in a course, we're still there to support you. Our US Realty Training YouTube channel has over tens of thousands of subscribers and millions of views. And it's packed with videos featuring me, top performing agents and experienced trainers. We break down concepts, share industry advice, tell real stories, and give you actionable tips to help you pass your exam, launch your career, and grow your business. Whether you're on your way home, at the gym, heck, or making dinner, you can keep learning and stay connected to the real estate world. If you're wondering, does this actually work? Here's the proof. We have thousands of five-star reviews from students who've gone through the programs, and we've already helped people everywhere. That's not just numbers on the screen. That's tens of thousands of lives changed, careers started, and families supported through real estate. So whether you're thinking about getting your license, studying for your exam, renewing your license, becoming a broker, or specializing in a new area, US Realty Training is here to walk you through every single step. From day one as a student to many years into your career, we're committed to making real estate education clearer, easier, and more accessible to you. So, we want you to focus on what really matters, building a career and a life you're proud of. If you're ready to take your next step, explore the program that fits where you are right now. Let's get moving toward your goal. I'm Robert Rico with US Realty Training, and I can't wait to see what you do with your real estate career.